Hello, I'm Link. Many people on the internet have bought this product, Magic Sponge or Magic Wipe. Its scientific name should be melamine foam or melamine. Anyone who has used it knows that its cleaning power is very strong, washing teacups, dishes, and even children's wall graffiti. There are also some metal scratches on the floor and tiles, some stubborn dirt. It can be cleaned very easily. There are some professionals who are thinking that this product is very cleaning. Can that be applied to some professional cleaning equipment, such as washing machines? The answer is yes, this product has already appeared. It's a two-part product. The front part is the Magic Sponge, which is the traditional nano sponge and melamine sponge. On the other side is a scouring pad, which is matched with the plate of the floor machine. The feature of this product is that it does not require detergent, only water. It can quickly clean some stubborn dirt that is difficult to clean off with traditional cleaners. It is cleaned with a wipe. This product, some friends have already started to try it out. The response is excellent. It really cleans deeply. It also has the great feature that it doesn't scratch the ground. In particular, there are some floors where the material is relatively soft. Traditional discs are very prone to produce some marks. This nano sponge pad is not. You can try it.